This how to 1 minute will show you how can I reset my cPanel password. So if you're trying to log into your website cPanel but you forgot your cPanel password, don't worry. You can easily reset your cPanel password in just few steps. Follow this step-by-step guide. First of all, open your cPanel login page. You can find it by typing your domain name /cPanel and you will jump into your cPanel login page. Once you are here, click on reset password and now enter here your cPanel username and click on reset password. To reset your password, you have to enter here your email address, which email address you used to create your web hosting account, and click on send security code, and then you will get a verification code to your email. Just go to your email and collect the security code from here and paste the code here and click on submit. And then you will jump into this page and from here you can easily reset your cPanel password. Just write here your new password, confirm the password, click on reset password, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.